Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a rectangle. The width of this rectangle is 10 unit and there are two circles inside this rectangle, and this is the diagonal of this rectangle. We have to find the area of this green region. As the width of this rectangle is 10 unit, so the diameter of this rectangle is also 10 unit. As the length of this rectangle is same as the 2 times of this diameter, so this length will be 20 unit. So the length of this rectangle is 20 unit and the width of this rectangle is 10 unit. Now consider the area of this green shape is A. As this area is A, this area is same as this area, so this will also be A, only this area. And consider the area of this green shape is B. This area is same as this area, so this will also be BE. And consider the area of this green region is C. This area is same as this area, so this will also be C. And the area of this green region considered as D, and this area is exactly same as this area, so this will be D. And consider the rectangle as A, B, C, D. Then the area of this rectangle, is equal to the area of this A plus A, this twice A, plus this B and this B, this twice B, plus this C and this C, twice C, plus this D and this D, twice D, plus the area of these two circles. So 2 times area of circle. So this is the expression of relation between the area of this rectangle. Now taking this area of two circle to left side, we will get this area. So twice A plus twice B plus twice C plus twice D, this area will be the area of this rectangle minus this 2 times area of circle. Now divided both side by 2, we will get the area of A plus B plus C plus D is equal to, as we divided both side by 2, it will be half of this rectangle area minus this half, and 2 will cancel and it will be the area of circle. Or this A plus B plus C plus D, this indicate the area of this A plus B plus C plus D. That means the area of this green shape. So green area this green area will be half of area of rectangle, as the length of this rectangle is 20 and width of this rectangle is 10, so its area will be length times width minus the area of circle. The area of circle will be pi times r square. The radius of this circle, it will be 5 unit, because the diameter of this circle is 10 unit. So pi times r square, which is 5 square. This is the formula of finding the area of a circle, is equal to this 20 divided by 2, this is 10, and 10 times 10, this is 100, minus 5 square, this is 25, and this pi, and this is the area of this green area. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.